Molweni ku-Sporting Culture. Igama lami kuPhumulethu Simama aka umqeqeshi. Tama noTamzi apha ecaleni kwami. Bhuti kunjani?
Kuhle bona konke kunjani?
Kuyaphileka nathi abantu Tamzi man. Brazil against i-African Giants, iMorocco. One of the teams basically final ye-AFCON.
Yeah.
Kule AFCON sisuka kuye edition. Uyibona njani umdlalo bhuti?
Beautiful game. IMorocco iphume iphethe imipu. Guns blazing sometime. Yabo. I loved a level of confidence. Morocco, you know. I loved a level of confidence yabo. The way they attacked Brazil as if bayibona okungathi badlala neZimbabwe. Yabo. There was no stage fright. There was no event or occasion fright to say World Cup. Yabo. They took them. And Brazil nayo ayina starting 11 is strong. Yabo. It's not the Brazil that we
all know
we are used to. You know, now you have a few players here and there. Okay, these are stars. Yabo. In their own personal capacity. Yabo. In their own teams, these are stars. But Bona as a team, as a unit, you know, it's no longer the Brazil that we know. Yabo. It's not a Brazil ono yoyika, you know, and I love how Morocco took advantage of it. Big ups to Owabi, their coach, you know, with the tactics. We saw a one-on-one that I loved, you know, of a defender Brazil, Ibanez, no Alcanus, you know. A left winger Morocco, Alcanus, was a 1v1. He was taking on Ibanez, left, right, and center, you know, taking on Ibanez, and then even, you know, your center midfielders to come and cover with Ibanez. And when they come to cover Ibanez, we are pass a good danger zone, you'd find 2-3 players in Morocco is available to attack the ball, you know. Now, but there are moments where they get the ball with the line, you know, but one too many touches and that defense was congested because there are these 4 defenders, Brazil, and then they have 2 center midfielders in your Casemiro and Bruno. Yabo, ufumaniseka ba ngoku o Casemiro no Bruno, they were a bit slow igame yabashiya. When they go to defend, baya straight into that defense, they become part of that last line. That's why is free to receive the ball in the danger zone. They could have done better in many cases the first half, you know. Even the goal was beautiful. The ball Osai Bari, you know, composure, you know, trust, strength, Iran, the pass, well weighted. Yonke into
yeah, no, in terms of Lelucho goal, Morocco, beautiful goal, team goal, switch up from and then angel umjita yabo. So it's something that you see in Morocco has been working those things that I'm seeing. From under 17 wabo, under 20 wabo, under 23 wabo, those are the teams Morocco is built over the years. What we're seeing we built over the years in Morocco as a country. So it's beautiful to see African country is ikwazi umelana ne teams ezifana ne teams of South America, Brazil. Glendo uchoyo Casemiro, I'm like ngathi normal guy Casemiro bezinqumla. Bezinqumla Casemiro, but no Vicinic beautiful goal na as smiles mnanam ngena ngapha. Oh, take but don't sit. Yeah, I didn't have power, but in some manner, but land is a island when you allow him, quick colors and running in a boxing, tennis in the issue to Pagati. So, yeah, it came in Morocco and Brazil, just for a good tournament, but must land there, born. But I think in Morocco, Lendle is a lenga is all, in the of can compete with teams Europe South America, but as Africans, I think bana physicality. Yeah, bana technique, bana ilanti ikombuche pulling part when it comes in terms of what bana team is fana isinekani kwi Africa, yeah, I think banganzima but in terms of la level by now kwilanduka Musculas World Cup semi-final. So basabuya nento yi-1 and it's impressive for Tina bantu base Africa ubona i-team kaviri yabona nani pusha because 2022 siyibonile push all the way and then nangoku I think sine one of your favorite eza landuka Africa.
Yeah, benza kubuza also what does it do, you know, for ezinye teams zase-Africa nxa zibukele le team zidlala nayo apha kwi-AFCON nxa zibona iqhuba ola hlobo, you know, ucinga uba inika eyiphi ingqondo or izinika eyiphi timing like other teams from other nations like South Africa?
Senegals, yeah. Mna ngokubona kwami I think inikezela lana ba we can push, you know, it's one of our own and besinayo kwi-edition ye-AFCON, so we can see and I think those teams even kwa Senegal they have the likes of who bring in 17-year-old, 18-year-olds base start of the tournament. We have also ibonela nalwana le is mele zikheli zenandika ze Morocco bishushu lana 18 years I think bacho 18 years. So you see i-African thing they start to trust ukuthi le system uses young blood nendoni iyasebenza and then nathi as Africans I think sine chance ukuthi uphume egroupini uneteam ezininzi zase-Africa. Morocco ibonisa lona ba sizaba baninzi abaphuma egroupini because we still have trust Ivory Coast, we still have trust Senegal. Ngokubona kwami yabo I still have trust, but even those who call Tunisia but I still have trust in Egypt, but this is a dream nakamzi ngokubona kwami Morocco, Senegal, inandika Ivory Coast are the teams that you see man is boy for.
Yeah. Now ngibona la ndobana, you know, ubona i-team or you are part of a top 10 in Africa.
Yeah.
Ubona le team xa udlala nayo you don't give it a respect. Ubona as team onoyibetha, you know. So now idibana ne-giants from somewhere else njengoba iBrazil is giants in South America. Now idibana nezinye giants from somewhere else as an African nation. You should have the same mentality. Basuka siyadlula up, you know, siyadlula up. Also la going back to la game ka la bola ka Vinicius, that goal. For like whole 30 minutes of the game, Morocco dominated. Dominated, you know. Casemiro, you know, Opaqueta, they were losing balls left, right, and center. They were pressing in Morocco. Morocco was pressing them and losing the ball, but the Glando Verbente, they could have made better decisions going forward in Morocco because they dispossessed Brazil many times. You know, Clark goal. You know Uvini. You know, he's a global star.
Yeah.
You know, so indlela adlala ngayo, you don't need uye P to read his game. Because you know he cut in.
Yes.
He wants it on the right. Ufuna kwecala lise-right so that he cuts in a killer, powerful. You know, now it defender lena, you know, ayina cover basically. Because Hakimi goes up.
Yes.
Abuya ngelo xesha and his tracking back wasn't on point like game. You know, that's where you found la player there wasn't much cover for Uvini. You know, I felt like to defend Uvini, Mvimbe from the right hand side. Don't let him force him go byline. You know, and his only option will be to maybe cross or try a win a corner and stuff. Then from a corner you defend as a unit. I felt like he should have covered his right, push him to his left, of which his left is not as powerful and as creative as his natural right. But and then second half it was balanced. A better second half for Brazil. You know, the game was balanced, but they did not dominate. You know, they did not dominate as well. Ancelotti, I know you love him. Ancelotti, he had started Rafinha close to Uvini Jr. and then changed him I think Wamsa were right, you know, and then bazama ke ngoku I think ibhola nayo after the water break, I think la goal even it came after the water break and changing Rafinha and stuff, yeah. But they had no answers. They had no answers in Brazil. That's why it took individual brilliance, Cavini, to put them back in the game. Yeah, at least a point, you know. So just to highlight how in Morocco ran a riot, you know. Well, you found first half Rafinha early into the game. You found him close to Uvini. We wachinjwa to the right. Ngoku kungena uKhunja wachinjwa wayisenda forward Khunja wadlala ngapha, you know. So, you know, at least they read the game, but it's also to show but they were sort of responding to Morocco's dominance. Yeah, well, and what do you make of Ancelotti's game, and like what else did you see emdlalweni?
Yeah, look, knowing who Ancelotti, you know, Ancelotti love his team to suffer without the ball, to making sure ngabana closer with defensive work yakhe, and then more of adlale abantu abalawi players ne-pace azifuna central zombini kule nto kalanka Rafinha noNansika no Vinicius, even club level uyenza ngoBenzema no Vinicius kwi-club level kube sakhula. So I could see Brazil a more of defensive level cup, not in such a way siyazi ngalo ngabantu besamba ngabantu ba-free udlala ebholeni. And then in terms of kule game yabo neMorocco, I think early on le nto buyisho ba iMorocco have shown ukuthi Buddhas, we're not here to sit at the back, or we're not here to uzobukela lena nidlala as Brazil, we're here to push. And I would like izinto bebezenza even ilanto iMorocco ezikoleni zebox zebala whereby bebethe za touches combination and bebe uyambona ba amajita a confidence ebholeni man, like umuntu passa under pressure and a clean pass yabo ukuthi make sure clean pass iyaphuma pass. So Ancelotti have to respond, you know, as a coach you must solve problems. Igame ikunika problems then when a coach uyazisolve. Then Glendo now see a water break have to sibone feedback. Now, feedback have tried ulandika Ancelotti ubonakala but we have to sit to make sure la majita allow because la majita yes wasobambe la majita. That's why Bruno noNansika ebaqalisa noCasemiro ufuna abantu abazayo stability sethu siyasibambe midfielder akhombe udlulayo but uniwini foul but beziphuncuka bebefuna bona uzibiza but beziphuncuka ezeMorocco. So good game plan in terms of ufuna udlala ngala majita phambili, but as a situation bemane ke ngokuresponda kwinto yeMorocco ashintshe umzitha amkhuphe ecaleni yebo. So I think now uya kwi-second game uzawubona ukuthi ebudas we have suffered kule game sisiwa, so must make sure into yoba sibuyisela iBrazil kwinto iyiyo because akho mntu ndiva ayithetha kakhulu nangokuba hey iBrazil ayiyo le because sesiyisithi abathethayo baye kodwa siyayazi iBrazil team yawo ayikabiyo le nto siyazi. But le nto benditsho usakhumula ndithetha uba kukho coach abakwi-club level, not in terms of i-club level, sorry, but kukho coach abakhowushwe kakhulu kwi-club level sesizababona ku-World Cup baninzi. So sizabona izinto ngoku ekufumanisa uba i-player 8 or 9 they are gelling, they are playing beautiful together. It's like ngabantu abedlala for iminyaka yabona kule nto yeMorocco because iMorocco ikhusini uba ama-out ngathi onke manje adlala onke iminyaka, and you can see uba iMorocco ina 2 players, ukeeper i-center back ezidlala kwi-local game yabo. Most of la majita adlala e-Europe, onke la majita adlala e-Europe. So but you see into yoba ngamana i-emotional bond ilalo i-togetherness i-unity kwi-team ezifana neMorocco uba nansi le nto siyifunayo siyilandela singabalandeli besoko whereby le soka siyibukela on a daily week days sibone on an international stage.
And also to add at some point kwi-second half unayo into yobana abantu I think bazibona as the 2 strongest teams kula game, or I think that's it in their group. So at some point uyabona ba willing uthatha point yabo out of this game yabo are willing uthatha point bazakwenza sure ke ngokuba the next 2 teams bazazibhoka get out of stage. But yeah, well done to Morocco. Playing 1-1 versus Brazil. Well done, Morocco. Well done, Brazil, to pulling one back. But that was us, Sporting Kancha. Thank you for watching. Peace.